So, good morning everyone!
Good morning, Ate Annie!
So, today, kay magbasa ta sa inyong story din. Basa first, after kay mamili ko sa mistake. Sige, first, Tabby Turtle. Kasi 1, 2, 3, go!
Tabby Turtle! Tabby Turtle loves the water. He plays with his friends. The fish and Tabby Turtle have a race. The fish wins the race. Tabby claps. Then they play hide and seek. Tabby hides behind the seaweeds. The fish search for Tabby Turtle. They cannot find him anywhere. Tabby Turtle turn and play with Tabby Turtle and the fish.
So, kinsa na kasabot sa inyong gibasa? Kinsa ka na ma-explain? Ikaw, Ken? Sige, ako na lang. So, Tabby Turtle loves the water. So, si Tabby Turtle kay loves niya ang water. Ganon siya water. Then, na siya friends, which is ang mga fish. Then, they have a race. The fish wins. So, sa pagduwa nila, ang isda ang nakadaog sa silang giduwa, which is ang the race. Then, kay nakadaog man ang fish, si Tabby ang ipapakan si fish. Kay siya may nakadaog sa duwa. Then, after na, kay duwa na silang hide and seek. Tapos, si Tabby, kay tago siya sa mga dahon-dahon dito sa dagat. Teka ng mga lumot, tingnan na ba? Then, after na, kay di pangita siya sa isda. Then, wala kakita ang isda niya. Then, moto, nadaog na po si Tabby. Yung moto. Okay, nakamemorize na. Sige, John Ken. Tanong lang ko.
Tabby Turtle loves the water. He plays with his friend. The fish and Tabby Turtle at the race. The fish win the race. Tabby claps. Then they play hide and seek. Tabby Turtle has...
Good! Next!
Sige, sunod. Reniel kay Kiatin kaniya. Sige, ikaw, try.
Okay, read na lang, Riniel.
Sige, basa
Read.
na lang, Min. Basa. Ayaw mo na, guys. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. Title na. 1, 2, 3.
Tabby Turtle. Tabby Turtle loves the water. He plays with his friends. The fish and the Tabby Turtle have a race. The fish wins the race. Tabby claps. They play hide and seek. Tabby hides.
So everyone, on Monday, mag-video ta na ha. So, need everyone memorize the story on Monday. Pasabot? Because Ati Hani have naman class on Monday, so I be the one take over the story ha. Then I'll be the one taking the video. Okay? Okay.
Good, L2 students, our topic for today is all about
Division of integers.
division of integers. Please answer on board and show me your solution, Daisy. -10, so explain.
Kay, i-divide na ko ang 40 of 400
400 ang so equals
equals -10. Kay positive times negative equals negative.
so -10
10.
answer. Number 2, Nicole. -30. Okay, explain your answer.
Kaya ako mag-divide ang 270 divide 9 equals 30. Ayan. Positive divided by negative equals
Negative 30. Okay, number 3, Junilyn. Suksa. Your answer is negative 8. Why? Negative 8 yung answer? Why?
kaya kan ako divide ang 80 of
Gi-divide mo ang tudlo.
ang kalingutan. Divide ako ang 10 of ang 80.
Gi-divide nimo ang 80 divided by 10 equals
Negative 8.
negative 8. Okay? Okay, number 4. Alexia. Okay, all 3 students, let's check your answer. Our topic for today is all about multiplication of integers. So direction, find the product. Okay, answer on board. Ralph, 1 and 2, please. Explain your answer.
Kanila multiply
Ang
first term ug second term.
so, tadlo daw.
First term ug second term.
Okay.
Answer
10 times
8
8 equals
80. Kaya ang before the tag sign sa positive ug negative always negative ang answer.
so always negative ang answer.
Ang answer kay negative.
Negative 80. Number 2.
More same regular po.
So 30
30 times 9.
30 times 9 equals
So 70.
270. So ang sign kay
Negative ug positive.
so negative. So the answer is
Negative ug 70.
negative 270. Next, Angeli. Number 3 and 4, and explain your answer.
So, kan 8 times ang kan 19 times 3 is kan 57 kay ang iyang sign kay positive ug positive equals positive
Positive 57.
57.
Okay, number 4.
So, number 4 kay 8 times ang 8 times negative 7 is kan answer niya kay positive 56.
8 times 7 equals pila 8 times 7?
Kan 56
So 56. Ang sign kay
negative.
negative. Next, Tristan. Number 5 and 6. Then explain your answer. So,
Positive 9 times positive 9 kay 81.
81.
81.
Positive 81. And then number 6.
Negative 7 nya times negative 3 kay pareha man sila sign. So positive ang answer.
Okay, positive 21. Number 7 and 8, Roy.
Para man sila sign naman siya kahit 9 times 10 equals 90.
90.
Negative 7 times 6 equals 42.
So the sign is negative. Negative 42. Thank you, L3 students.
Annyeonghaseyo, students. For now, we are going to brush our teeth. To get our teeth clean and also para mawagtang na ang mga baho-baho. And then, have you all brought a toothbrush and toothpaste? Yes. So, we can start brushing our teeth na. So, ang nasa last, pwede na mo una gawas. Dala to inyong kuha na tubig. Pag hinay mo, sunod ang nasa first row. Start na mo. Ay, musika ka mo. Asa nang Miss Dudong na ano nagpatalikod man eh. Ang first mo man ha, ato na mo sa study room.
Ako dali na ikaw check dapat masuk ko niya.
Sige, okay.
Brush sa kanan.